Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Noble Touch, and I'm going to show you how to make a ladybug. So what I have here is a small foam hemisphere, or you can just buy the ball and cut it in half. You can also use smaller ones if you just want it to be a little embellishment for your flower wreath. And what you're going to do is just paint the hemisphere red. Going to get some of our brushes out. And you're going to take the black paint. I'm just going to put some here in my glass. I don't need that much, but oh well. I'm trying to think what brush I want to use for okay, so with the ladybug, just gonna, this is probably need a little bit bigger of a brush, but you're gonna want to paint the head. And if you want to make it bigger, you can always, make it a little bit bigger. Bring it out. And I'm no painter, just so you know. So anybody could do this. Now, what you're going to do, this should be interesting, is to paint a straight line. I say interesting because me painting a straight line is probably not going to, you know what, maybe what I'll do is kind of score it first with something. Oh, let's see how this works. Just so I, myself, can keep the straight line. Just so I can follow it. as you can see, of course, my line isn't the straightest. I could have went over a little bit more, but whatever, it is what it is, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take some wire and just cut off a little bit. And then I'm just going to take this and just kind of do a couple curls on it. And then slide out. And then what we can do here is just push in to our foam. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of glue. Some hot glue here at the end. And we'll just put it like that. In there. And let me get another. And I think this one, I have to go this way. Well, these aren't perfect. But you get the gist of what I'm trying to do here. So we have our little antennas, and then see if I have any. Have to get my paintbrushes all washed up. What you can do is just hit this with some black paint. And then let those dry. And there's your ladybug. And what you could do is put a wire underneath and pin it in, or glue it and pin it in. That way you can attach to your wreath with, if you want it over to the side. Like I said, this is a bigger, of course, ladybug than you might want. You might want them a little bit smaller, which you can use the smaller foam balls and just do a little embellishments that way on your wreath. But I know someone was asking, where do they get them? Well, you can make them, and that would be how to make them. So anyway, just a little fun craft to do if you're home and need, you know, maybe it'll give you some inspiration to do some other, you know, little decorations on your things. So hope you enjoyed it and have a great day. Thank you.